Okay, the web search agent times out while researching a complex target. You need to design how this failure information flows back to the coordinator agent. Which error propagation approach best enables intelligent recovery? All right, so for starters, I'm going to go out there and actually have okay, the web search subagent times out while researching a complex target topic. You need to design how this failure information flows back to the coordinator agent. Which error propagation approach best enables intelligent recovery? From my understanding here, it seems like the problem is the web search subagent's job is to go out there and research things. And if it's timing out, the way that I understand timing out is it's spending way too much time doing something and it's deciding that it's no longer going to do it. Is this safe to make this assumption? So I'm assuming right now from a business standpoint, the underlying problem here, the way that I'm looking at it, just using common sense, is that we are telling the subagent to do web research. It's taking too long for it to do the research, and it is choosing to no longer pursue this task, which is it's not going to do research anymore. Now, I want to go ahead and fix this because if the business impact is if I think the web search agent is doing a research and I'm going to go out there and do my own thing, live my best life and go to the gym, and then I come back and I find out that it wasn't doing the research, I now have to do it, and I ended up losing all that time that I could have been doing it, but I thought the subagent was doing it the whole time. Is it safe for me to make this assumption, or am I getting it completely wrong or partially wrong? You need to design. So where it says you need to design how this failure information flows back to the coordinator agent. So the sub agent is an agent that's underneath the coordinator agent. So the coordinator agent, the way that I'm understanding it in plain English, is kind of like the mothership. What is the definition for error propagation? I don't know what error propagation approach is. That best enables intelligent recovery. So, is there a definition for intelligent recovery? So, it says the correct answer is A, and it provides explainers, but I have no idea why the right answer is the right answer and why the wrong answers are the wrong answers. So please give me some more context, just like you've done with the previous questions. So I usually would go deeper diving, but like at this point right now, I've also given it so much context. The agent did not refuse, it just took too long and the system gave up waiting. It's like calling a vendor, being put on hold for 45 minutes and hanging up. You did not decide that the call was an appointment. You simply ran out of patience waiting. On the business impact, your gym analogy is perfect, and it is actually the most important insight in this entire question. You assume something is being handled. It was not. You found out too late. That lost time and the downstream decisions that are made above it on the coordinator, yes. Okay, so I want to give AI like sometimes we have to look at the problem as like, okay, what do I think the problem is, right? Every unfamiliar term in plain English, timeout, error propagation, good. So as that's moving in here, I might as well start cranking out on this. Okay, during testing, you observe that the synthesis agent frequently needs to verify specific claims while combining findings, right? So I'm taking a look at this right now, and it says, during testing, you observe that the synthesis agent frequently needs to verify specific claims while combining findings. Currently, da 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 da. All right, so I'm going to go back here, and it should be done. So I'm going to take all this. And I'm going to go back. And I'm going to go in. Oh, hang on. Okay, number 2. Yeah, that's how late I am. It's 11:30 p.m. at night. All right, so I'm going to take all this. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay, so I have all of this information now. So what is the fundamental problem? One subagent failed. The system needs to decide what happens now. There are 4 possible approaches. Your gym analysis. Imagine you hired 4 researchers on the projects. One of them was supposed to gather internet sources. You went to the gym expecting. Okay, so option A is correct. They call you and say, I ran out of time on raw research. Okay, wrong. Information test, information provenance, that's exactly what they're going to say. So I'm going to take this now and I'm going to go here. And then now I basically have all this info, which is good. At 7 minutes in, not bad. I'm getting a little bit better, a little bit faster. All right, let's go ahead and get to the next question.